GOBA is thrilled to welcome over 100 high school students. What an opportunity to really highlight what we do on a day-to-day basis. They're going to have hands-on opportunity to learn a little more about the construction process and how to build a home in a community. So we're here to welcome the students and be the driving force behind, what their next career path is.
The reason I decided to join the High School Career Express program is because it gives you an opportunity to see all these careers, and it gives you a more hands-on experience.
This one piqued my interest more because that's what I plan to do after high school. When I graduate, become a construction manager.
It's really important for us to collaborate with an organization like CareerSource to better serve the industry, better serve those students and their families, more importantly, to really just provide opportunities.